You're watching Football Daily. Here's all today's transfer news and headlines. Chelsea is set to bring Nemanja Matic back to Stamford Bridge for £22 million, with the Benfica midfielder due to undergo a medical today. Matic left Chelsea 3 years ago as part of the deal that saw David Luiz move to West London, but with Jose Mourinho keen for midfield reinforcements, the Serbian international will return to the club in time for this weekend's clash with Manchester United. The outlay on Matic will be offset in part by Kevin De Bruyne's departure, with Mourinho confirming the Belgian winger is on the verge of joining Wolfsburg in an £18 million deal. Juan Mata also continues to be linked with a move away from Chelsea. Bayern Munich are the latest club rumoured to be interested in signing the Spanish playmaker, who is also a target for Paris Saint-Germain and Napoli. Manchester United are planning a sensational attempt to bring Paul Pogba back to Old Trafford this summer as part of a huge overhaul of the Red Devils squad. The Times reports David Moyes will be handed a massive £100 million transfer budget in order to rebuild the side he inherited from Sir Alex Ferguson. Lewis Holtby could return to former club Schalke on loan 12 months after he joined Tottenham, with the German midfielder struggling to force his way into the first 11 at White Hart Lane. According to TalkSport, Manchester City are lining up an ambitious move for Bayern Munich defender Dante, with Manuel Pellegrini looking to sign a world-class centre-back to play alongside captain Vincent Kompany. And finally, 2013 FIFA Ballon d'Or winner Cristiano Ronaldo has admitted he considered a return to Manchester United last summer before signing a record-breaking new contract with Real Madrid. That's all for today's Transfer Talk. Let us know what you thought of all the news in the comments below, and thanks for watching.